Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Fronter 620. In this video, we're going to ride the elevator here at the Open Hearth Lodge in Sister Bay, Wisconsin. It looks like we got none other than a LULA. Oh boy, we all know how much we love LULAs. Let's take a ride on this one and see how it behaves. I believe it's a Concord if I'm correct. It's got a buzz that sounds like a ThyssenKrupp. Anyways, here's the elevator. And oh no, it's a Savaria elevator. I don't think I've ever ridden a LULA from Savaria. That's cool. So now we're going to head down to the basement. Or maybe not. Okay, looks like the basement's locked, so I'll have to go up to 2 instead. Here are 2. It opens up here. So now I go down to 1. Notice the lantern that lights up when I push the button. Now I get cab view. It's a pretty basic LULA. It's kind of low light in here. You can tell that the elevator is moving really fast. So there's an indicator right there. Emergency light. I doubt this elevator was installed in 1987 since it looks newer. But anyways, here are your buttons right here. Here's some third-party buttons or some custom ones. And there's your phone. See if we can ring the bell. That does not look like it. So we'll watch the LULA close. There it goes. And the button will also stay on for a bit. So, oh, there it goes out. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds for the button to go out after the door closes. So, yeah, that's that elevator. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that's going to be it. Alright guys, I also noticed this thing is nudge mode. So I'm going to go in the basement. Oh, we can't. So I'm gonna push the button for 1. We're gonna nudge this thing. It should do it in a moment. Like so. Yeah, I was definitely not expecting the LULA to have nudge mode, but apparently this one does. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that as well.